Hello everyone and welcome to the Kiki London YouTube channel. My name's Amanda and in today's video I have a brand new launch to share with you all. Today launches the new Kiki London foil gel as well as their collection of foils. So in this video I'm going to be doing a quick demo on how to use the foil gel to apply the foils. How beautiful does the holographic packaging look, by the way? Now here we have the Pastel Marble Foil collection. There are 15 collections, by the way, so there's lots of different ones for you guys to check out. Now I'm going to jump straight into showing you guys how I apply the foils. I'm going to start off with a thin layer of the Kiki London rubber base. If you was doing this on a client or yourself, you would need to do all of your prep first of all. Once I've got that layer of base coat applied, I'm going to pop it in to cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to pick out a Kiki London gel polish colour that matches the foil as best as I can. So for this foil I went for Baby Boy. Then I'm going to come in and apply 2 thin coats of the gel polish, curing each coat for 30 seconds. Now ideally you don't always need to do 2 coats. You're going to be covering this gel polish with the foil anyway, and it is a full coverage foil. I just personally like to have a nice pop of colour down on the nail, so if I do have any teeny tiny gaps in my foil, it's not going to be noticeable. But if you don't want to do 2 coats, you can get away with just doing the 1. Now that I've cured the 2 coats of gel polish, I'm going to come in and apply my foil gel. So when it comes to applying the foil gel, you want to apply a nice thin even layer to the entire nail. You want to make sure that you're getting this foil gel everywhere that you want your foil to adhere to. So here we're doing a full foil nail, so I want to make sure that that foil is covering the complete nail. Then whilst that's curing, I'm going to cut out the section of foil that I want to use. So here I wanted to make sure I got that swell. And then I'm also going to be using the Kiki London Silicone Tool to help me apply that foil. So now the foil gel is cured, I'm going to take my foil and place it immediately down onto that foil gel. So as soon as you take the foil gel out of the lamp, you want to pop your foil down. Then I'm going to begin rubbing this down. Now you want to really pay attention when you're rubbing your foil to the cuticles and the sidewalls and the very free edge of the nail. So I like to work from the center outwards and then go around and make sure that it's fully adhered on those specific areas. It is a little tricky to do this on a nail tip. Once I feel like it's starting to adhere, I start peeling it back just to check how well it's adhering, and I'm going to do this slowly. And then I can repress it down if I need to, but as you can see, this transferred pretty well. I got around 98% coverage. So I'm just going to come in and tap on that foil in the few areas that didn't transfer. And then just look how beautiful that has applied. As you can see, it has fully covered the entire nail. So we then need to come in and seal in our foil. So I'm going to use the Kiki London rubber top coat for this. I especially like the rubber top coat for sealing in any nail art because of the thicker consistency that it has. It just makes it a lot more durable when you are working over the top of nail art. I'm curing that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then this is the finished result. How beautiful does that foil look? I'm really loving these new foils and I can't wait to share more videos with you. However, I did want to quickly share one more design with you. So here we have the floral print foils, and I've gone for this beautiful one here because I love this little floral arrangement. Then I have already done my base coat and 2 coats of colour, so I opted for tea rose. So now that I've cured those, I'm going to come in and apply my layer of foil gel, keeping it nice and thin and even, exactly the same as before. Now that my foil gel has cured, again, I'm going to immediately press down that image. So I'm just taking a moment to line it up where I want it to go. Then I'm going to press it down with my thumb and then start really working that foil into the foil gel using the silicone tool. I'm applying a nice amount of pressure. It is a little bit easier when you're doing this on yourself or a client because you've got that bit of resistance, so you're able to be a bit more firmer. Really focusing along those sidewalls, as they are usually the areas that can be a little bit stubborn for your foil to transfer. Then I'm going to slowly peel it back just to check if there's any areas that need any further rubbing, and there was, so I'm just doing that. And then I'm going to slowly peel this off, and you can see it transferred absolutely beautifully. There's not a single piece of this image missing, which is absolutely amazing. And then once again, we need to seal that in. So I'm going to do so using a layer of top coat. The foil gel and the foils are now up on the Kiki London website, which is always linked in the description box below. So do check that out. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. However, if you do have any questions, please do pop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Then I shall see you all in the next video. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.